Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how to add voice recording as WhatsApp status. Now this is a cool new feature of WhatsApp that instead of a photo or a video, you can now upload a voice recording as a status. Okay, let's go ahead and open WhatsApp. And as you can see, I currently don't have any status, but we're gonna create one. Okay, so once you've opened your WhatsApp, just go ahead and tap on the pencil icon on the lower right corner of your screen to create a status. And once you tap it, you will see this screen. And above the keyboard on the right part, you see that there is a microphone icon or a record button. Now to add a voice recording, you can just press and hold, and as you can see, it is now currently recording real time, and you can either let go to finish the recording, or you can slide to the left to cancel and retake your recording. And as you can see, the recording is now there. And once you're done setting up the record, you can now tap on the play button or send button on the lower right corner of your screen. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.